Trapped key interlocks have been known for over a century and are used to provide access to areas containing hazards. The principle is simple. A sequence of operations is enforced through the transfer of keys that are either trapped or released. First, hazardous energy, electrical, pneumatic, or hydraulic, must be controlled by turning the key in the energy control device. The key is then released, preventing the energy source from being accidentally turned on until it is returned. Next, a key exchange device accepts one or more keys from the previous step in the sequence and releases a key or multiple keys for the next step, ensuring the correct sequence of events is followed. To enter a safeguarded space, an access lock is used. The guard cannot be opened until the correct key is inserted. The actuator is then released, allowing access. That key remains trapped until the guard is closed and the actuator is reinserted into the access lock. For added safety, a personnel key can be used. The operator keeps this key with them inside the safeguarded space, and until it is returned, the access key remains trapped and the access lock cannot be closed. The defined process requires exact reversal to re-energize the hazardous energy or to restart the machine. Trapped key interlocks are used across many industries, from railways, food and beverage and logistics to manufacturing, protecting personnel, equipment and processes. Contact a member of our team to find out more about our trapped key interlocking solutions or visit our website.